Satang kindet benai nang ni syakmat bagi nong syong shnong ke jala kin sami banjet thmai ki nong mi khmat syakayeng darbar thawan ke jala ki sang san himaru la sakhi ye ke jingpen khre jongki khamtam banjet ki Kyrtong ban penyakhun hakinik election. Kawai ni kisang san hima kabalaya syakmat ban pen khre yakinik jingyakun kadai kasang United Democratic Party kabala sedang pen benai ki Kyrtong jongka nakabanta kanik election. Kawai na kisang san partai jongka ni kejala kabadairu kasang riulum ka United Democratic Party UDP haka cinalang kabala penlong haka henriu tarik mentau benai nok pra arhajar arpuar haka opes rekam jongka haka kylla kaban Nyngkong syua ke election MLA kaban selong haka snem arhajar arpaulai banwan kalapan benai ke Kyrtong jongki Kyrtong ki banyakun ke election MLA banjet mai kinong mi khmat sakayeng darbar thawan kejala ki Kyrtong ki bakasang UDP kalapan bana hakin ikasni kidai nakabanta ki lai pu artli ki constituency bat hakin ikatup Kyrtong baro kidai tang kirangba bat empat yoi bakindon ki Kyrtong kentai ki Kyrtong ki bakampau ki balayo tiket banyakun hakin iki election MLA kabanwan ki kentup ya uba lakmen rumbui uba kermen shilla uba nujor ki sungo uba jeminu mautho uba remington pengrup uba HDR lingdo Uludal Bird, CH Momin, Uba Mitchell Wankar, Usi Embarim ka JHADC, Uba Moonlight Pariat, Bat Kiwe. Nakini ke lai pawar ngut ki Kyrtong ki balapan bana hakan ka kylla ka Nyngkong, rangut ki Kyrtong ki day narilom garu.
To see that the politics always speaks about numbers. We have been able to save the state from losing its good image. In the previous election, the party managed to hold on to its strongholds and win a respectable number of seats. But we're not enough to form a government on its own, as a regional party is limited only to few pockets. We hope that this 2023, people will give us the mandate. Since in many pockets, the people of the state are in search of an independent political voice of their own. Many like me, dissolution with these national parties sees UDP as a political alternative. There is a political vacuum to be filled, but the party has not been able to convince the voters and present itself as a viable political choice for them in these last elections. I strongly believe that only a regional party can develop our state, stand against injustice meted out to the state and stand up for its language and culture. Haka state ka jungi labon tili kisnem ngirayo I baka jinsin siya kadon the national party. But Nimla claim the pet but nujor but kiwi but ki political but kiwi but ki state. Kung Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Haka ba kini ki regional party ki one but ki sinsyara ka bo. Naman ngidon hangni ka UDP ya ka bala seng but sedang da lead iki molong. Rengkat bat kino yalam ki leader haka to ko pohan ban na somanong bagi don ka party ka pabit ka pabiang ban yo iya ka jinsin siya ka pupura.